Hey everyone, this is Yaswanth. Welcome to Yaswanth IT. If you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. How to download and set up Java software in our local machine. First of all, open command prompt and type here a command Java hyphen version. See in my local system Java is not installed, so that's why I'm getting Java is not as an internal or external command. Okay, so for that I'm going to install it. Open any browser, search for Java 8 download. Search for Java 8 download. Why we are downloading Java 8? Because from Java 8 the complete programming structure in Java, the complete programming style in Java is changed. So that's why Java 8 is most game changing features are available in Java 8. So that's why when we are in basic, so that's why we are going to downloading Java 8. Okay, type Java 8 and download. Press enter. See here, Oracle Corporation website is available. So click on that website. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See here, my OS is Windows. So Windows, there are two options are available. Into 86, into 64. This is 32-bit and this is 64-bit. Okay. To see whether our system is 32-bit or 64-bit, we can go our we can go to system properties. Click on this PC properties. See here system type. See here system type. My system type is 64-bit operating system. That means into 64 based processor. Okay. So that's why I am downloading in Windows 64. Okay. Simply click on this link. See one pop-up is available. Click on checkbox. Download. Click on download button. See here. They are asking to sign in into Oracle. Okay. They are asking to sign into Oracle. If you don't have any account in Oracle, click on create account. Give your basic details and create account. Then sign into account. I already have a account, so I am signing it. So see here, whenever I click on send button, it will automatically downloading Java 8 software. See here, it automatically downloading. Okay. See here, my download is finished. Okay. Click on this. It shows a pop-up. Please click on yes. After clicking on yes, it will shows this type of screen. Click on next. Next, it is going to installing. See here, background one more pop-up is available. This pop-up is going to download our JRE. Okay, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Click on OK. Click on next. See here, one more pop-up is available. 3 billion devices run Java. So number one developing platform. Java is most popular language in IT industry. All the banking applications, all the finance applications, and all the secure applications are mostly run on Java only. So that much importance is available for Java. Okay, wait until it going to download. See here, successfully installed. Okay, please close this. After downloading, we need to set the path for Java. So what that is mean? We are telling our local machine whenever we perform Java commands. Please refer this software. For that, we need to set up environmental variables. So first go to this PC, local disk. See here, program files folder. Under program files folder, one more folder is there, Java. Click on this. See here, two folders are available. One is JDK, Java Development Kit. All our software, all our development kit is available in JDK. And see here one more, Java Runtime Environment. When we want to execute our Java program, this based on this JRE only our program will execute. So okay, we need first we are going to set up our environmental variables. So for that, go to JDK. Under JDK, go to bin directory. See here address variable. Click here and copy this address here. Okay, and go to start menu. Search for edit system environment. Edit the system environment variables. Click on it. See here environmental variables. Click on it. See here system variables. Under system variables, there is a path. See here path. Click on it. See here create new. Here paste that path here. Control V. Okay. And click on OK. 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 Close it. And open command prompt once again. And once a Java hyphen version. See here it shows the version Java version. Okay, if you see this only you installed correctly Java. If you don't see this lines on this or this version in command prompt, then you need to follow those steps step by step. I already given in step by step. Okay, you can follow this PDF if you have any doubts. Okay, I will post this PDF in my LinkedIn handle and I will give this link in comment box. Okay, please check comment box. Okay. After the installation, what is the difference between JDK, JRE, JVM? Okay, JDK contains the set of tools to develop Java programs. Okay, all the tools to develop our Java programs contain in this JDK file only. Okay, in this JDK directory only. JRE, Java Runtime Environment provides a platform to run our Java programs. Okay, whenever we want to execute our program, this only based on this JRE, it will execute our program. And JVM, what is JVM? Java Virtual Machine. Okay, Java Virtual Machine will take care of program execution and memory allocation and deallocation. Okay, this JVM will completely execute memory allocation and deallocation. Okay, that's why Java is called as robust language. Memory allocation and reallocation will be automatically done by JVM. Okay.